Microsoft Word 2019 has a really neat feature called Format Painter. Now, everybody knows how to do a simple copy and paste. You just select a certain area and you right-click and you copy it, and then you can just right-click again and choose Paste. There we go, copy and paste. But what if you wanted to copy the format, but not necessarily the words? So if I've gone in and I've made a lot of changes, such as maybe I changed the color and I went with red, maybe I went with a highlighter, that kind of thing. And maybe I even went in and made bullet points, numbers, whatever it is I want to do, or even gone in and changed the font to be something completely different. Now I want to copy this format to another section of my Word document, but I don't want to have to remember all the different things that I just did. I just want it to copy and paste automatically. So I'm not copying and pasting the words, I'm just copying and pasting the formatting. And we've got this sentence underneath it, which is not formatted. So we're about to be formatting this particular sentence, and we do that simply by clicking on Format Painter. Now, first what we have to do is we have to highlight the text that we want to be copied. So you can choose a single word. It doesn't have to be the entire sentence. And we'll go up to where it says Format Painter. I'm going to click on this. Now watch what happens. You see the cursor changed from going to the left to going to the right. Now I haven't clicked anything yet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my sentence, and the cursor is going to change again. Look at that. Now it's a paintbrush. Now if I hold down my left mouse button and drag it over this sentence, it's also going to make this formatted the same as above. And there it is. So the words are exactly the same. All that's changed is the formatting. Now this only works once, so if you want to go back in and format another section, you have to go and do the same thing. Select the word and then click on Format Painter, etc. And then you can apply that to other words as well. So that's how we use Format Painter in Microsoft Word 2019.